Hi, welcome to Adventures and Things. I'm Michael Wright, and with me today again is mi amigo Kelly. And today we are going around to check out 1,000,000 beaches for free. So up and down this coast, there's like 100 or so beaches. I don't know if it's that many, but we're gonna go check them out. We're gonna go see how many beaches that we can get in. It might rain. It looks really sunny now, but you excited to see some beaches?
Very much so.
Go pick up some beaches. Okay, that's enough. So we are here at the Beach La France. It's the French beach down here. I feel like it's a beach within a beach in Canada, you know. Very much beautiful, huh? Huh, Kelly? Oui, oui. Uh-huh, oui, oui. Okay, we gotta go to the washroom apparently. You see the gray V wash over the cheese curd there? That's why they call it French beach, huh? So we're on to beach number 2, which is called Sandcut Beach. It's supposed to have a waterfall that flows into the ocean, kind of like Mystic, which is pretty awesome. So we're gonna check this out. First, a little tour through the woods. Looks like there might have been a windstorm around here. Sandcut Beach is definitely one of the most popular beaches on this coast, I would say. It was the second most suggested beach to go to for me, and for good reason. It's an easy walk through the forest to get to the Pebblestone Beach, where you get an amazing view of the Olympic Peninsula, on a clear day, of course. Then you reach the waterfall on the beach, and at this time of year, it's not quite as impressive as winter or fall or even early spring, but it is still amazing to see this waterfall cut out of the sandstone right along the beach. This is Sandcut. And you can climb to the top of it, carefully of course, and you can enjoy the view from on top of the falls. On to beach 3, and this one is China Beach. That's all. China Beach was probably my favorite beach. The walk through the forest and then the lookout over the beach before you ascend down into more rainforest. And before entering the beach, you walk through this trestle of bushes. It's just absolutely amazing. And then you get onto the beach itself, and it's a perfect mix of sand beach, pebble beach, and rock beach. And best of all, there's a secret waterfall that everybody knows about.
I think like dog guy went around. Dog guy can do it. We can. Yeah, we just have to worry about high tide. Getting stuck over there at high tide. We're like, well, I guess we're staying here the night. Yeah. Distraction. It looks like a waterfall.
Yeah, there is. One hiding in the back there.
Neat.
Sneak in there.
We're going to a waterfall instead. Now we're going there. Tricky icky. Bad cheese. Nailed it. So graceful. That should have been a gymnastic.
So when Kelly and I left the waterfall, we couldn't find the trailhead to get off the beach. We walked up and down the beach probably for like 15 minutes until we found the trailhead that gets you off the beach. But I don't want to brag, but I think we're both geniuses.
So it turns out we're geniuses, and there's a stick right there that indicates where you exit the beach. We walked right past it, but we're good now. We made it out of here, sort of, maybe. Uh-oh. Oh, that's a shitter. So we're off to beach number 4. We missed a couple along the way because there weren't signs, and we don't smart too good apparently with directions. There was no marker like that other beach, so we're going down to Sombrio, and this is the walk there.
Sombrio Beach is divided into two sides of the beach. There's the west and the east, and the west side is okay. There's like these big rocks or huge pebbles or tiny boulders, if you will, that you walk along the beach. At high tide, they're all covered up, and there's some really cool camping areas there, but we were told that the really nice side is the east side. So back into the woods we went to cross over this river and get over to the east side, where everything was way better on that side of Sombrio. Way better. Way better. Way.
What an oddly grown tree. Okay, so we're gonna try to go around this point here, but it looks like high tide might be coming in, so yeah, I don't know, this might be the last part of the video, us dying. This class of rocks is super slippery.